Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe and like this video because it's going to be so informative. And if you're just a returning subscriber, welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys ways you can actually make money online. Internet is the new way of making money. So if you're not making money on the internet, I don't know what you're doing. We actually need at least one source of income online, and that is what I've been trying to help you guys build each and every day. So make sure at least at the end of this month you have a source of income online, because everyone needs to make at least something on the internet, not just making money offline. I wanna hear you sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming. The first method I'm going to talk about is through drop shipping. This is whereby you actually sell stuff online without having any stock or any shop. So this is a way that has come up to assist people to actually make money by becoming sellers even when they don't have products. So what you do is you create a shop of your own, and then you just wait for customers. So you don't need to have, let's say you're selling electronics like a radio, you don't have to have that radio, you just need to have the pictures of that radio. So once you pick pictures, you just post on your wall, and once a customer is interested in your product, now that is when you ship it directly to them. And you are not the one who is going to ship them. The wholesaler, that is the person who is selling that item, is going to ship to them directly. So you gain a commission. So when you're a drop shipper, you don't have any shop. Your work is just to put things and, sell them. And once you get a customer, you don't need to just purchase the product. You just sell directly by the wholesaler supplying it directly. So this is a good way because you can actually sell products that can expire easily because you don't have stock in your shop. So you are not in fear that these things are going to get spoiled. The wholesaler is the one who is going to bear the burden. I feel like dropshipping is one of the best ways you can make money on the internet, because you can actually start a shop even when you don't have any capital, because you don't need to have this stock with you. Another way that anyone can actually try is selling DIY products. So DIY means do it yourself. This is whereby you can have products that you do by yourself and sell to people. The internet actually right now is providing tutorials on how to do anything. So you can teach yourself any skill that you want. And once you teach yourself, you just sell that. For example, you can teach yourself to make hand-woven handbags, maybe carpets. I've seen so many tutorials on how to make fluffy carpets, or maybe jewelry. There are so many things you can do by your own. And then once you do those things, you sell online. So for most of the DIYs, you don't even need to make it your full-time job. Like if I decide to do a carpet, when I'm eating supper, I just unashona kidogo. When you're seated watching your favorite shows, you do it, and it's time you find that it is complete. Once you're done, you sell that. You can sell it online or even offline, but of course online is one of the best and easiest ways to sell products because you can reach to many people at once. For example, if I am selling maybe carpets, if I can do a TikTok video explaining them and doing them there, that video will reach maybe 500 people at once, and out of those 500, 10 people will be interested. So that's why I'm saying selling stuff online is quite easier, because you are reaching quite a large number of people at once. But selling offline is quite expensive because you will need a shop, you will need to pay kanjo kila time, you will need to have more than one product. But on the internet, you can be selling one product at a time. Ukitengeneza hii unauza, ukitengeneza ingine unauza. And also you can get orders and tell people, maybe you have 2 people who want, you can tell one, I'll give you by Friday and the other one by Monday, like that. I feel like online shops are easier to manage than offline. Also because offline shop, you will need maybe a shop attendant, but online you will be managing your own shop, which is quite easier. Another way you can actually make money on the internet is through affiliate marketing. So one thing about affiliate marketing is you just need to advertise a website or even products, and once people buy them, you get paid a commission. So yeah, it's like you're getting paid by advertising. So it's kind of a commission stuff kind of thing, but it has money and it is a good side hustle because you don't have to do it the entire day. If you have, maybe you're promoting a certain product, you just take the link and share on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, or something of that sort, and when people click on your link, you get to be paid. So it's a good way because you don't have to do it each and every time. It's a good side hustle to make money, and I have actually earned by affiliate marketing, so I know how it's okay, not really easy, but it is kind of a free way to make money because you don't have to be actively engaged. All you do is just pick the link and share on your WhatsApp, or maybe on your Facebook, or on your social media platform, and with time, if your followers click on the link, you just get to be paid. If they purchase maybe that item, you get a little commission from it. It's a good way to make money. Another way you can actually make money is through online tutoring. Right now, quite a lot of people have actually decided to venture into online things. So people are actually not getting trained offline. They are learning online because learning online is kind of flexible, and so you can actually venture into online tutoring if you have anything that you can teach people. So for online tutoring, all you need to do is to just go to those websites that actually pay people to become tutors, and sign up, and then sign up as a tutor and fill in the skill that you can teach. Also, you need to advertise yourself. With time, as long as you're a good tutor, if you get good reviews, you're going to be getting so many clients. This is a good way to make money online, and it is flexible because you find online tutoring, you don't have to tutor somebody the entire day. It's just 1 or 2 hours, and you create the time that you're free. So of course, the time you and your student are free, so you can actually do it as a part-time job. Once you come from your 9 to 5 job, you can do this as a side hustle and make money. Another way to make money is through content creation. I'm not going to talk about this so much because I feel I've talked about it a lot. Content creation is whereby you just create content online and make money, like the one I'm doing. This is YouTube. There are so many other websites or platforms available that content creation can work. For example, TikTok. And even you can create content and post on Facebook. Nowadays, Facebook pays for those reels, so you can actually make so much money. For content creation, you have to be very consistent because hawezi kuja YouTube uwe unapost once in a month, moja tu unatoroka, and expect to make money. Of course, you have to be consistent. If you decide to be an online content creator, you have to plan. You schedule for the times you will be doing content. But I can promise you, online content creation is a good way to make money. I've done a video showing you guys how much YouTube pays me, so you can check those videos out. Just go to my profile and click on the playlist. You're going to see one of the playlists that I've named how to make money or how much YouTube pays, something of that sort. Click that website, click that playlist, and check how much it pays me. You might feel the need to start content creation, and anyone can start content creation because nowadays people watch anything. So you can actually post about anything. Even if maybe you have a pet, you can be showing us a day in the life of your pet or anything. Just post anything. You can actually make money, so much money, with content creation. Another way to make money online is through social media influencing. This one, now you just use your social media platforms in a way such that they will be giving you cash flow. So you find many people have followers, but they don't know how to make use of them. Don't just use social media for entertainment. Vitu kama WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, just don't use them for fun like that. Use them to make money, whereby if it's a social media platform like Instagram, you can go to Instagram and monetize for every, maybe you decide, if you mention someone on your Instagram page, they get to pay you. Also, you can be advertising for people. So maybe you can advertise for a shop. Every time you advertise for them, they get to pay you. Also, you can sell your stuff. You take advantage of that. Sell stuff to your followers. Maybe you can have, if maybe you create, your social media page is all about fashion, maybe you can have your pants, your palazzos, your maybe shorts, your dresses, be selling them. That is taking advantage of the social media followers that you have. Don't just use social media for nothing, for entertainment. Use it to make more money. That's all I always advocate for. Don't just sit. You have to tap all the opportunities that are available on the internet, because you cannot just be watching people make money while you're there. People are actually making so much money online. Another one of the oldest ways you can actually make money online is through blogging. Blogging is quite competitive because it is, you see, it is the oldest. So it means so many bloggers are available. So if you want to become a blogger, you need to know of the niches that people have not tapped on, and yet those that get a lot of following, or those that many people search. So you need to have those topics that you know people are going to search, so that if they search, the first thing they are directed is to your, the first place they are directed is to your channel, because you want to make it in this search world. Because if you cannot rank in those search keywords, you know, that is, you have to optimize the searching. If you cannot rank in them, you cannot actually be able to be discovered. So if you want to start a blog, make sure that first of all you know what you're going to be talking about, if it is fashion, if it is lifestyle, and also know what many people are actually searching for, and what other people have not ventured into, so that you can be able to fit. It is so competitive, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Yeah, and it's just like YouTube, you have to keep on being consistent, because if you just post once and then post tena once, you're not going to make it. You have to be very consistent. And this blogging sites actually pay through AdSense, so the more people that click on your ads, the better. So you have to keep on posting more and more, so that a lot of more people can click on those ads, because the more people click, the more you make money. You've had bloggers like Edgar Obare and all those other bloggers. They make almost 90,000 in a month, because they are ever active. They have to post content each and every day. If you don't do that, you cannot make money on blogs. So you have to be very active. Yeah. I'm gonna also tell you guys that you cannot make money online if you're lazy, because it needs you to push yourself. So you have to be very active. And also, you need to have at least 2 or 3 more ways, not just one. If you want at least to say you're really making money online, your cash flow, when a cash flow, you need 2 or 3 ways to make money. Yeah, so those are a few ways you can make money on the internet. Definitely there are so many other ways. You guys, like this video if you really enjoyed it, if it was interesting. Tell me in the comment section if you want me to talk about more ways you can make money on the internet. And in the meantime, check my other videos. You're going to see what I've talked about in the previous days, and it might help you to gain more insight and maybe to get to know more ideas. So yeah, ask me any question in case you have in the comment section. I'm definitely going to be replying to you guys. I obviously enjoy chatting and engaging with you, so definitely feel free to talk to me. If you cannot talk to me, maybe you can DM me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram link so that you talk to me directly via inbox. Thank you so much guys for watching this video up to this far. Share with your friends so that they can get to know more insight, and I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.